In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics on Gumroad. So before we get started, I'm just going to brief you on what exact topics we'll be covering in this demonstration. So first off, I'm going to show you how Google or Gumroad's built-in analytics work because they have one right here. And then I'll show you how it examines user behavior on your online store. And then after that, we're going to proceed on how you can set up your Google Analytics if you haven't done that yet. And then for the last part, I'm going to show you how you can integrate it into your Gumroad online store so that we can start analyzing user behavior on our Gumroad account. So let's get started. First off, once you've logged into your Gumroad account, you're going to want to look for the analytics option right here on the left side of the screen. And if we give that a click, it should show us a nice graph of the user activity we have on our account. So as we can see from here, I currently have 0 sales, 2 views, and a total of $0 earned. So there's not much going on. And we also have the following option right here, which basically shows us the subscriber behavior. And since we don't have any followers yet on this account, this one is empty. However, we do have a bit of data on our sales. So we're going to try to show how this works, or if this reflects changes in user behavior in real time. So I'm just going to open one of my products real quick and then go to the link of this product right here. Now I'm just going to copy this product and I'm going to close this. So I'm going to open that product on an incognito tab right here. And we're just going to open that product. So we have the product over here, and then I'm going to try proceeding with the buy this. And as you can see, it has been added to our cart. Now, this should count as an instance of user behavior. So we're just going to go back to our Gumroad Analytics page right here. And then I'm going to give this a refresh. And as you can see, we've added another view on our account. So basically, that's how Gumroad's analytics work. Now we're just going to head back to our homepage and then proceed with the next step, which is setting up our Google Analytics account. So here I have the analytics.google.com page, which will help us set up our Google Analytics account if you haven't yet. Now here for the account creation, I'm just going to put in an account name. So maybe Google Analytics should work. And then I'm just going to modify my data sharing settings, remove these since we're just doing an example, and go to the next step, which is property creation. Now here, we're just going to create a property name for measuring our Gumroad's web and app data. So I'm just going to put in the same name, Google Analytics or Gumroad Analytics. Now we're going to keep this time zone and currency. Now go to the next step. And we're just going to describe our business. Let's say maybe shopping and then just a small business size. Go to the next step. And then we're going to choose our business objectives. So since we're just trying to examine user behavior, we're just going to go with that. Then click on create. Then just accept the terms of service agreement. And then proceed to data collection. Now we're going to choose a platform to collect the data. So we're going to be using web. And then we're just going to get the URL of our website. So I'm going to go back to my Gumroad account right here and then select my profile. So it should be this one right here. I'm just going to copy this real quick. And right there. Now we're just going to put a stream name. I'm just going to go with Gumroad Analytics, all the same. So if you've also connected like a custom domain to your Gumroad account, you can use that right here. Now we're just going to go ahead and create stream. And we have here the stream name, the stream URL, the stream ID, and the measurement ID. Now we don't need to install this manually. We don't need this Google tag. So we're just going to be using the measurement ID right here. So we're just going to copy that and then head back to our Gumroad account. And we're just going to go back to our home page real quick. So Gumroad right here. Now we're going to go to our settings right here on the bottom of the left side of the screen. And then look for third-party analytics. Make sure that third-party analytics services is enabled right here. And then under Google Analytics property ID, we're just going to paste the code we copied a while ago and then click on update settings right here. And now Google Analytics should be activated on our Gumroad account. So we're just going to head back to our home page. And then we're going to check this stream URL right here. On a new tab. That should be our domain. Now, once we have this set up, we're just going to try to check the user behavior we have on our account. So from here, we're just going to check our analytics, and then we have the Gumroad analytics over here. It should appear on our analytics page. Hold on, let me just, data collection is pending. All right, so we're going to continue to our home page. And then, so we have the data over here. This should be for our Gumroad account. And sometimes Google Analytics has this behavior of not showing real-time changes in user behavior. We're going to try to give this a refresh. So no data received from our website yet. I'm just going to check on the tagging instructions real quick. All right, so I've done a quick research, and apparently it's an expected behavior for your Google Analytics homepage to say that sometimes data collection is inactive even after you set it up or even after data has already been collected. So this homepage may not always be accurate or showing real-time user behavior, but what we can do is head to our report section right here, and we can see there's this option that says report snapshot. We're going to head to real time, which is a more accurate and faster response when it comes to analyzing data. And as we can see from here, we already have those reflecting. There's this wall art sample that shows two views, and one view for our Gumroad page. So we have a breakdown of the user activity here as well. So it's best to just use real time. Once you get to the homepage, go to reports and then head to real time to see a more accurate representation of the data that's being gathered on your Gumroad account. And that's about it. That's how you install Google Analytics on Gumroad. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.